As a Texas property owner, you pay property taxes on your home, commercial buildings, and land. The amount of property tax you pay is based on the value of your property, which is assigned by the county. Did you know that our Texas Constitution says that taxation must be equal and uniform? While this sounds fair and reasonable, it doesn't always work out that way for many Texas property owners. This is because every year your appraisal district determines the market value of your home based on similar properties. While they try to get it right, many times they don't, and that means an unequal tax burden on some Texas property owners. The good news is that as a property taxpayer, you have the right to file a protest with your appraisal district to present evidence that you are not being treated equal and uniform as it relates to your property taxes. Here's how it works. Beginning in April, every county is required to send a notice of appraised value for each parcel located within its boundaries. This is the notified value. It is based on the condition of the property as of January 1st of that tax year. Should you choose to protest your notified value, the protest must be filed within 30 days from the notice date or May 15th, whichever is greater. You can file the protest and represent yourself or hire a property tax consulting firm to file on your behalf and represent you. At Texas Tax Protest, we do the heavy lifting for you. We file your protest, then analyze large amounts of data to make the strongest case possible for a reduction in your notified value. If you have evidence you believe would help support your case, you can send it to us. Some examples of usable evidence are pictures of outdated or damaged livable areas, quotes for repairs or damage that illustrate depreciation in value, or closing statements that show a lower purchase price than your notified value. Protests are typically completed in June, July, and August. Depending on the volume of protests, some counties may go into September or later. Once the tax protest is complete, your county will certify your property value. We will then email you the result and an invoice for any fees due. When you receive your tax bill at the end of the year, it will reflect the new lower value achieved upon a successful tax protest. Contact Texas Tax Protest today to learn how we can lower your property taxes.